Welcome to Los Angeles. My name is Ben, and we're excited to have you join our family for a day in LA. In this video, we'll show you 6 of downtown LA's hotspots, some great places to eat, and since we've got our kids with us, we'll show you a scavenger hunt hack we created by mapping 6 walkable stops and creating scavenger hunt clues for each location, simple enough for our kids to easily find. We'll also share with you some fun facts about LA, starting with the Last Bookstore near Pershing Square in the heart of downtown LA. So let's get started with stop number 1.
Stop number 1 is go through a book tunnel. Should we find it?
Yeah.
Let's go!
How about a bookstore, Sadie?
Our first stop is the Last Bookstore, a unique 2-story bookstore with in-house art studios and comic and record shops as well. If you like Harry Potter, you'll feel like you're wandering through Diagon Alley as you stroll through the creaky aisles, exploring the hidden rooms, and seeing all the eclectic displays.
What does it say?
It says a book tunnel ahead.
A book.
The Instagram highlight is the book tunnel on the 2nd floor, made of hundreds of books.
Real books. I found the tunnel.
If you do visit the bookstore, make sure to bring your camera and be prepared for some crowds, especially on the weekends. Stop number 2 is the Grand Central Market, located just a few blocks north from the Last Bookstore. The Grand Central Market is a market with a rich history. The market first opened in 1917 and was the largest public market on the West Coast. In the Grand Central Market, you'll find a variety of cuisines like Chinese, Mexican, sandwiches, as well as fresh produce, a candy shop, and lots of desserts.
Daddy.
While perusing the restaurants, our kids discovered their second scavenger hunt item, the Jarritos soda wall, with its huge virtual kaleidoscope. Once we grabbed our food, we found a picnic table in a small courtyard just outside and had a really chill lunch.
Really good. I have tons of sweet cream on it and real strawberry sauce.
Our third stop was the Angels Flight Railway, which is just across the street from the Grand Central Market. The Angels Flight Railway was built in 1901 to help Angelinos commute up and down the steep Bunker Hill, and today is a local tourist attraction.
Unless you've been on this kind of train before?
I never been on the train.
The Angels Flight Railway is the world's shortest incorporated railway at 298 feet incline. Our kids were thrilled to have a train ride as part of their scavenger hunt. Britt and I were thrilled it only cost $1 a person. At the top, the railway brings you to the One California Plaza, a beautiful outdoor concert venue. This was a great place to let our kids just run free and look at our itinerary.
Hey guys, the next thing we're doing on our list is walk around the spaceship building.
On our way to the next stop, we walked along the plaza's pedestrian walkway and let our kids explore at their leisure.
No, you gotta
I can have a toy coat.
Sadie, what do you think a spaceship building will even look like?
It'll look like a rocket ship, I think. There, I do. I still think I see it.
Where is it?
I see it. There.
The Disney Concert Hall is one of LA's most recognized landmarks, designed by Frank Gehry, who drew upon his love of sailing as inspiration for the curvy wall designs. The grounds are completely open to the public, and the concert hall has this unique stairway system that wraps around the outside of the building and reveals beautiful views of the city. Around the back, there's a beautiful tile fountain and a lush courtyard garden that offers a retreat from the noisy city.
Okay, Sadie, you know what's the next stop?
What?
We gotta take a picture with City Hall.
If you walk a few blocks from the Disney Concert Hall along Grand Avenue, you'll arrive at the top of the Gloria Molina Grand Park, overlooking the City Hall building at the bottom of the hill.
Did you see the big building, Shugs?
Yeah, it's right there.
The City Hall building has been a defining feature of the LA skyline since it was built in 1927 and was LA's tallest building until the 1960s. Also, because of LA's proximity to Hollywood, City Hall has been a location of lots of Hollywood films like Dragnet, Die Hard 2, Speed, Liar Liar, and lots of others.
Only one more stop, Sadie, and what is it?
Tokyo!
Our final stop was Little Tokyo, which is just a few blocks east of City Hall. Little Tokyo is the capital of Japanese culture in North America, being the largest of 3 Japanese towns in the US. The epicenter for tourism here is the Japanese Village Plaza, which has everything from restaurants to retail, including bakeries and everything in between. Our scavenger hunt item was for our kids to find a Japanese souvenir, and our kids were only too happy to find gifts for themselves. Whoa! What'd you get, Shugs?
I got this. It can, this part it can open up, and you can do.
And so that was our day in LA. All in all, we walked about 2 miles and spent a total of about 4 hours in the city. It was a great introduction to all the wonders LA has to offer, and we certainly will come back again to visit other areas like Chinatown, Olvera Street, the Union Station, and several others. Thank you for checking out our Day in LA video, and we hope to see you again in our next exciting video. Cheers.